it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is Federal Reserve Board. The Federal Reserve Board is appointed by the President, confirmed by the Senate, and these governors, there's about 7 of them, I believe, those governors particularly run the different Federal Reserves around the country. They vote on interest rates, policies. Effectively, the Federal Reserve Board is like our bank, our central bank, which buys and sells US Treasuries, puts liquidity into the market, takes liquidity out of the market, and determines interest rates. Now, this is an important part of our financial system because before the Federal Reserve was around, it was J.P. Morgan himself who really determined rates and controlled a large part of the economy. And the government wanted to prevent that, so they created the Federal Reserve Board, which has really changed the way we do systems. Like after the 1929 crash and the subsequent depression, it was important that the central bank was able to step in. Today's word is the Federal Reserve Board, a huge component, and we had a word before, don't fight the Fed, that's the Federal Reserve Board.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.